Sorry, is my share screen are already shown up?
Yes. So just start your presentation, please.
Okay. So, marhaba, good afternoon, distinguished professor and respected researcher, and also the fellow participant. My name is Safira Chaya Fadila, and I'm from Indonesia. First of all, I would like to express my special gratitude so I can present our research in this international seminar. The title of our research is Association between Age and Glycemic Control among patients with type 2 diabetes mellitus in a primary healthcare in Bandar Lampung, Indonesia. So this research was conducted in collaboration with my co-author, Mr. Dirga, Ms. Nisa, Ms. Nurul Irna, and Ms. Winnie. We are from a pharmacy study program, Faculty of Science, Sumatra Institute of Technology in Indonesia. So, introduction. Diabetes mellitus is a disease that characterized with elevated blood glucose. And according to International Diabetes Federation in 2025, approximately there are 589 million people around the world that having diabetes mellitus. And this number are expected to be increased until 852.5 million in 2050. And the global prevalence of DM in 2025 are estimated 11.1%, and it is expected to rise until 13% by 2050. And over 90% of those cases are type 2 DM. So here are Indonesia. So our country are ranked 5th around the world as the most higher number of diabetes mellitus around the world, with 20.4 million cases by the data of EDF 2025. So here are the local data. In Indonesia, particularly in Lampung province, there are increased prevalence of DM from 0.7% until 1.4%. And from Bandar Lampung City, DM2 are ranked as 8th most common disease in our city. So, diabetes is a lifelong disease that requires continuous treatment. Therefore, evaluating clinical outcome is essential to ensure that patients achieve controlled blood glucose. Because uncontrolled blood glucose can affect on complication, progressivity of the disease, and complication can affect to several organs like kidneys, eyes, neurons, until cardiovascular disease. And several studies around the world shows that there are a lot of percentage of uncontrolled the glycemic control among the patient, and this number can associate with the increased risk of mortality. Therefore, it is important to analyze factors related to clinical outcome. And in this study, we examine whether age is associated with the glycemic control in patient diabetes mellitus type 2. So here are the research method. In this study, we are using the quantitative cross-sectional design where the sample were selected using purpose sampling and the data were analyzed using SPSS. Here are the specific data. So the study was conducted at Puskesmas Satellite located at Pahoman, Enggal District, Bandar Lampung City, and the data were collected from January to March 2022. The population of this study consists of patients with type 2 DM at this health center, and the sample included patients who met the inclusion and exclusion criteria. Here are the inclusion criteria, which are patients aged 18 years old or older with DM2, receiving anti-diabetic treatment for at least 1 month, willing to participate and sign informed consent. with the exclusion criteria incomplete questionnaire, incomplete or unreadable medical records, and patient with psychological or communicational disorder. And we are calculated our minimum sample size using Solvin formula with a 5% of margin error. Here are the instrument study we are using, which are demographic questionnaire and a worksheet study. And the data were obtained from two sources. So the primary data through direct interview with patient, and secondary data from patient medical records. We have two variables in this study. So the independent variable was age, and it was characterized as two category. So the first is younger than 60 years old, and the second one is 60 years old and older. And the dependent variable are clinical outcome of patient, which can be collected from fast blood glucose or randomized blood glucose or HbA1c in patient with DM2. And the data will be categorized as control or uncontrolled based on the laboratory test. And here are the data analyzed. So we are using univariate and bivariate. Univariate for searching how many percentage of the variable, and bivariate we are used that for analyze using chi-square to know is there any association between age and the glycemic control. We are also calculated the OR or odds ratio, and if the p-value were less than or equal from 0.05, it was considered statistically significant. So here are our research and our result and discussion. So from the population of 2002 patients with error limits 5%, we got the minimum sample are 134 patients. And here are the data from univariate and bivariate test. So the first table show that in this study, 42.5% of patients were under 60 years old, and 57.5% were 60 years old or older. And in the second table, or the bivariate test, it shown that the p-value are 0.564 with the odds ratio 0.817, and 95% of confidence interval are 0.411 until 1.624. So in this study, the results show that there was no significant relationship between age and glycemic control with a p-value of 0.564. And these findings are consistent with several previous studies, for instance, research that had been reported in 3 primary healthcare in Jakarta, located at Cakung, Kebun Jeruk, and Rawabunga. There was no significant relationship between age and glycemic control with p-value 0.058, with similar demographic data. Category of age are 60 years and older, 59.5%. And also the study at Iran, specifically in Shahid University of Medical Sciences Teaching Hospital, that has released age are significantly not associated with clinical outcome with p-value more than 0.05. However, some studies have reported different results, suggesting that older age is associated with poor glycemic control, such as in Siti Abha, Saudi Arabia, Ethiopia, and also the Jakarta. They say in their study that older people are at higher risk of achieving uncontrolled blood glycemic compared to younger people, because this theory can be explained that as individual age, there is a progressive decline in pancreatic beta cell function. This decline reduces insulin secretion, which may lead to elevated blood glucose level. Interestingly, in this study, a slightly higher proportion of elderly patients had controlled glycemic levels compared to those under 60 years old. So this finding may be related to chronic disease management program implemented at the healthcare center. So the program are called as Prolanis, and they have weekly exercise session, usually in Friday morning, and they have monthly glucose monitoring and pharmacist counseling. So here are the conclusion. The study concluded that 57.5% of patients were aged 60 years or older. However, in Bavaria test, there was no significant relationship between age and control blood glucose levels in patients with type 2 diabetes mellitus with p-value 0.564. Okay, thank you so much for your attention and time. I would be happy to answer your question, and I will return the time to the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you also so much.
Is there any question or there aren't?
No, oh no, I think there are no questions, so thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck with your studies.